With the Voyager Focus UC, you're not just on the call, you're in it. Keep the focus on the conversation, not the background noise with its sophisticated noise cancelling and immersive stereo sound. Before you begin, download the Poly Lens desktop app by visiting support.hp.com/s-n/poly. This ensures you get the most from your Voyager Focus UC headset by allowing you to customize your device and check for firmware updates. Included in the box with the Voyager Focus UC is a Bluetooth USB adapter, travel pouch, user guide, and a USB cable. With certain models, a charge stand will also be provided. The boom can be worn on either the right or left side. The headset senses when you adjust the microphone boom and syncs the audio accordingly. Charge the headset by either setting it on the stand or by using the micro USB cable. Once charging is complete, the LEDs turn off. Turn on your headset and plug the Bluetooth USB adapter into your computer. You will hear PC connected, and the light on the USB adapter will turn solid blue. Should you need to pair your headset to the USB adapter again, you can do so via the Poly Lens desktop app. For the best audio and user experience, we recommend that you use the USB adapter when connecting to your computer. To connect your mobile device, slide and hold the power switch towards the Bluetooth symbol until the light flashes red and blue and you hear pairing. On your mobile device, open Bluetooth settings and connect to Poly vFocus. You will hear pairing successful. To answer a call, tap the call button to mute your voice during an active call. Tap the mute button to adjust the volume. Rotate the volume wheel forward to increase the volume or backward to reduce the volume. To pause or play audio while listening to music, tap the play-pause button. To skip to the next track, tap the track forward button. Your headset is equipped with smart sensors. When a call comes in, putting the headset on will automatically answer the call. Taking the headset off will automatically mute the call. Putting the headset back on will unmute the call. While listening to music from supported applications, the sensors will also automatically pause or play the music. Your headset includes active noise cancellation, which reduces external noise. Your headset shifts with ANC on. To turn ANC off, slide the switch away from ANC. The LEDs on the Bluetooth USB adapter indicates the following. Flashing red and blue indicates pairing. Solid blue indicates your headset is connected. Flashing blue indicates you are on a call. Solid red indicates the call is muted. Flashing purple indicates you're streaming media from a computer. The following occurs when use of the Microsoft Teams application is detected. Solid purple indicates your headset is connected to Microsoft Teams. Flashing purple indicates you have a Microsoft Teams notification. When using Microsoft Teams, tapping the call button while the headset is inactive will interact with the Microsoft Teams desktop application, bringing it to the front of the screen. You are now ready to enjoy your Voyager Focus UC headset.